And this is why you don't want to make Tanya angry. What the hell?
That ain't shit gonna happen when you make it.
Well. There we go.
Oh, I got a good picture.
Ew. Got some on me.
I got some.
Let's see, did you get any in your hair?
There. I felt a lot come down on me.